The difference between air conditioner and air handler unit. What's an air conditioner, AC? Air conditioners are typically found in the outdoors of your home. Air conditioner's primary function is to get rid of heat from your living spaces. It is designed with special return ducts that suck out warm indoor air and passes it through a cool refrigeration evaporator coil, which then cools the air. The cool refrigerant in the evaporator coil is now warm and is released outside at the condensing unit, and then the cycle repeats itself. What's an air handler? Air handler is often found on the indoor side of your living space. It is designed as a component of a split-system air conditioner unit or heat pump. An air handler is designed to keep your home either cold or hot. It has an internal blower motor that helps to dispense conditioned air in every part of your living space through properly sized ductwork. How air handlers and air conditioners function differently. An air handler, a condensing unit, puts pressure on the refrigerant until it is liquefied and later transferred back to the living space through a metering device and into the air handler evaporator coil. At this point, the refrigerant is turned into gas, where heat or warmth is absorbed from the air that flows over the evaporator coil. In the end, the refrigerant gas is pushed back into the outdoor air conditioner system and pressed into liquid form. In heating mode, the entire process will be reversed. The heat pump absorbs the warmth from the outdoor air, condenses it into a liquid form, and later on pumps it into the air handler that allows the smooth flow of warm air into your living space. And the air conditioner is built with a compressor changes low pressure vapor into a high pressure vapor. It works by absorbing the heat in your home, and as a result, the unit supplies cool air in your living space, making you feel cool. If you would like to know more information about this topic, go to hvacfreelancer.com, or you can click the link below in the description. Feel free to join to get a free copy of the ebook HVAC Freelancer Guide to Success in the HVACR industry.